Hi and welcome to today's daily December daily. I am using Breeze prompts again, and for today the prompt is place. I struggled with this one for a little bit because I wasn't sure what I was going to write about, but then I had an idea, and the plan for this page was something completely different. I wanted to do like a belly band and put a tag in there to write about what I was thinking. And then I found from like a few years ago this Christmas napkin, and I really love this tree with all the hearts. So I wanted to use that in my spread. So the only way it would fit was right in the middle. And so I did that, and so then I tear around the edges because I'm going to put that down with soft gel medium just because I didn't have Mod Podge, which would have been better, but this is what I had at home. And then I realized the background is too plain, so I wanted to put more interest on the background. So I just used my lovely Scripty washi, which is in my, I believe, my last AliExpress haul video. Okay, now that was much better. I really liked how that is going to look. And so I start putting that matte medium down, and while I am doing that, I actually tear part of that napkin. I think it's right in the middle, and at this point I don't do it yet. Yep, so there it was, and I'm like, nope, this is not working. So I took it all off, and thank God I had the washi underneath, because I think if I would have put it straight on the page, I would not have been able to get it off that easily. So I start over, and this time I'm not tearing around, I'm just cutting around because I'm impatient. It doesn't really matter, it's fine either way. And now I thin out the matte medium because it was just way too thick. That's why the napkin tore. And I might have thinned it out a bit too much, but actually it worked just fine. So this time around was much better. And by the way, the two words, I mean, you probably guessed, it means Merry Christmas, and it's German, and we say Frohe Weihnachten. And when I had that on, I realized that actually this would have been a great spread for the 24th, for Christmas Eve. But of course I didn't want to wait, so I wanted to use it right then. And then I was just trying out some lace because I wanted to have this page be very delicate. And so I find these two hearts, which are again from AliExpress. I'm a really good customer. Yeah, so I really love how those are the hearts, and they match the hearts on the Christmas tree. And then I find these, they're actually jam jar labels, but who cares? I am using it to write down my thoughts for the word place. And so I just ink that, stick that on. And then I wanted to add, of course, the date somehow. So I take out my beloved Simon Says stamps, and I love this alphabet so much just because of the design of the letters. They look so like they're sketched. I really adore these. And I decided to use my archival ink in Plum. And this is a really nice like Bordeaux red, which I don't use a lot for some reason. Probably because it's like stored away and I never think of it. But I think this goes really well with the red of the Christmas tree. And for the number 8, I have this page from the newest Daphne's Diary, which I purchased yesterday. It's the November edition. And so I cut out the one for number 8, and the whole thing is too big for the bottom of that page, but I do just cut out that what is it called, that ornament, and it has the number 8 in it, and I'm just fussy cutting around that and then inking that, and I really love how that is dangling off the sea, and the colors work really well with this spread, so I was really happy with that. And finally, I take my Recollections clickable stamps that I use in almost every spread, and I form the word place, and I try to find how to position it best. Then I decide to place it vertically, and I'm still undecided of where to place it. So finally I make up my mind and I place it right there, and that actually worked out quite nicely. And lastly, I'm just writing about finding my place in the creative world, yeah, and being able to live off of it one day. So that's it for this time. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some inspiration for your own spreads. Thank you so much for your comments and for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.